relaxing weekend at home. This week's vlog will not be long because this is actually the first weekend that we are back home after traveling. So we've been to Marseille and Copenhagen, and I feel like always after vacation I need another vacation, get some energy back. So this weekend, rest! So this weekend we are kind of staying at home, just doing a couple of things, cleaning, cooking some home meals and so on. Today I actually thought to finally unpack Akari lamp that I bought in Japan, and it seems like my cat will be helping me to do so. She really loved this box today. She was like already sitting on it and scratching it and so on. So I think it's time to open it. So yeah, I bought it in Japan. That was one of the things that I really wanted to buy. I was searching for a couple of places there in Tokyo because it's not that easy to buy it, at least, especially if you have like a specific lamp in mind. It's something that I really wanted to buy for a very long time. So yeah, super excited. Let's just open it together then. Alright, so here's the lamp itself. Oh, they even provide the... Oh! Okay, so here's a bulb. Okay, here's the cord itself. It has a Japanese, I don't know how it's called, stock. I'm not sure. Japanese something. I bought adapter right away in Japan, so I should have it somewhere in the living room. Here are some other elements for the lamp. Okay, and here are instructions. So we have a frame. I assume we can put in bulb. Inside the lamp, I see it has like some rails. I'm not sure how it's called in English. Probably we just have to kind of match it with. So. Guys, I'm so happy with it. It looks so good. And as you see, there is Vaisa just watching what I was doing. But yeah, that's the final result. I think it looks very cool. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments.